Hey friend, would you like to learn how you can earn $1,000 per day, or maybe just at least $500 in the next 72 hours, even if you're a beginner and you have no skills, you have no experience, you have no product, you have no website? Well, hey, and then maybe you heard about the 1K a day fast track program. Well, hey, in this exciting episode today, we are going to do a 1K a day fast track review. As a matter of fact, what are you going to learn in this video? You're going to learn, number one, who is the creator of this program and are they legit? What exactly is 1K a day fast track? How much do you need to invest to get access to the program and all the upsells that are associated with it? We're going to take an in-depth look at exactly what you're going to get from this thing. We'll go through the pros and cons of this program, and then I'll give you my final rating at the end to help you decide whether or not this is actually a program that actually can help you make money for maybe the first time you've made sales at all online. All right. So hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Chris Njigha, and this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the skill sets to get results, make money, and drive breakthroughs. All right. So if you like content like this, reviews and tutorials like this, then hey, definitely give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel. Go ahead and smash that bell too, because you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos, which is pretty much almost daily right now. All right. So let's get into this thing. This is the 1K a day fast track review. It is a relatively new product at the time of this video. It is a ClickBank product as well. Is it legit? Can you actually make a couple $100s in the next 72 hours? Let's find out. All right, so let's get started with it. Who is the creator? Is a gentleman by the name of Merlin Holmes. Now, personally, I never heard of him, but I mean, I don't consider myself to know every person out there in the internet marketing world. But he's interesting because he's from Denver, Colorado, and he's been in the space of internet marketing for over 15 years. And guess what? While he's been here, he's just been pocketing around $150 million in online sales in his career. It's crazy. And by the way, it's legit because he actually shows income proofs of how he's done it and all his clients and all the sales he's made in the webinar, which, by the way, if you want to learn more about this 1K a day fast track program and check out his free webinar, which, by the way, is highly valuable, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check that out. All right. But what's cool is that he has helped thousands of people create an online business for themselves as well, even if they didn't have an experience. So is he legit? I would say so. Someone who's making money and can teach others to do it. Nah, sounds pretty legit to me. All right. Now, who's this for? Now, it's for anybody who wants to make money online from home, maybe like yourself, right? If you're a home business entrepreneur, new or experienced, affiliate marketers and internet marketers trying to make money. If you're bloggers, might be of interest to you. If you're an agency and you want to learn how to generate more leads, this may be good for you. And I mean, if you're just sick and tired of being sick and tired, right? In other words, you've just not been getting results, you've not been able to make that first sale. Maybe you're a retiree or an employee, you're working somewhere, you're trying to find that way out so you can start to live life on your own terms. This may be something for you to highly consider, and I'm going to explain to you why as we keep going. All right, now, what is the 1K a day fast track system? Essentially what it is, it's a 6-week course that teaches beginners how to build a targeted list of email subscribers. Maybe you've heard this before, but I gotta say, email list building is the key. Money is in the list, right? But what's interesting is that he teaches you how to do this targeted list of email subscribers and offer products and services that they want using a 2-page poll system. Yes, polls that lead to high lead conversion. It's pretty fascinating, all right? And so essentially what you're going to get is a step-by-step training on how to create your own polls using their proven templates, setting up your own email system, and then start generating traffic using their resources of second-tier resources, traffic resources that are much less costly than things like Facebook and Google. Very fascinating, all right? Now, what's the pricing on this thing? $997, all right? So it's definitely not the cheapest product in the world, but that's what I've been noticing on high-quality products like this are going for as of late. So yeah, and then on top of it, you will get several bonuses, which is pretty cool. And some of them would be like his $50,000 worth of poll templates that you can literally copy and paste that will lead you to getting these high leads conversions. I mean, he showed an example of getting 60% conversions on leads on a capture page, which is insane, using one of his poll templates, which is in the webinar, which, by the way, I encourage you to check out. All right. And he'll give you his thank you page cash generation script, which is genius, by the way. You'll get proven money-making email sequences, so if you don't know how to write emails done, he'll give them to you, and a few other really exciting bonuses that I haven't mentioned here that I think is worth checking out if you decide to take a look at the webinar. All right, now you'll see that this is just an example. Let's take a quick look here at the page here. So this is the page where you'll go to check out the webinar. He's going to show you how he's earned $14,000 per day just sending an email, right? I've been talking about this email thing because it's so genius, and that's how you make this money. I'm telling you, don't let anybody else tell you. And he's telling you this truth. It's about the email. Build that list, and you have a list for life. You have traffic for life. You have a money-making asset for life. And he shows you how to do that with this 2-page poll building website in this masterclass. So it's definitely worth checking out. But here's an example of some screenshots that I took from the webinar when I went through the webinar that I thought were worth sharing with you. Okay, number one was the fact that this is what one of the poll pages he created looks like, and it's very simple. This poll page right here is converting at 70%. It's crazy. 70%. Okay. I just want you to keep that in mind. That's really insane because 15-20% is really good. That's what I've been used to. This guy's getting 70% on this, generating leads by the handful, hand over fist, right? And so what are you you're gonna get from this training program? Let's take a talk about it. Number one, week one, right, is the 5-day marketing master's degree. And he's gonna show you everything you need to know, basic stuff for marketing. You don't need all that mumbo jumbo that people try to tell you, just the basics. And he's gonna show you how you can pocket $400 commissions pretty quickly. In week two, he's gonna show you how to set up more commission accounts, finding the right products and getting everything in place, because you need the right product to promote to the right audience, right? That's how conversions work. You right targeted, right message to the right audience with the right product. You see, that's how it works. Week three, rapid development and deployment of your first poll, which by the way takes like 15 minutes to do, even if you've never done it. It's really simple. Week four is creating your automated selling systems, and this is going to be through your emails marketing setup, because once it's done and you generate the lead, the emails get sent automatically. You know, you ain't got to sell nobody. You ain't gonna be there to follow up. The follow up is on autopilot, which is brilliant. Okay. Week five, crafting your first money making ads on his secret platforms and setting up your simple ad campaigns. This is crazy too. He shows you how to do this even in the webinar, and I imagine he'll go in depth in this in the training, how you can set up and create ad copy even if you don't know how to do ad copy. It's brilliant how he does it, and it's extremely effective, and it's like you wish you thought about it because it's so brilliant when you see what he's talking about. You would never think of it on your own. And then week six, planning out your future income streams, plus these secret offer resources that are worth checking out. Now, he'll show you exactly how this works. And once again, these are all clips that I got from his webinar. I encourage you to check out the webinar for yourself to get even more understanding on what it is. But he'll tell it basically works like this. Number one, you'll discover how to find the right offers for the right audience that pay the best commissions. Okay. Then step two, he'll give you his 7-minute trick that can help you produce $400 commissions without having to place a single ad. This is what keeps you going. Then you'll learn how to create your first compelling poll using his templates in another 15 minutes. I mean, he's already tested these polls. They're ready to deploy. It's really copy and paste. Like it's really that simple. You do have to work, but it's been done for you to a certain degree, right? Next is wrap up the proven ads with a bow and reveal the secret places to run them on the cheap. And this is huge, right? Because if you think about running ads on Facebook, so much competition there right now. It's really expensive, and even Google is tough, and YouTube ads is kind of like the new thing right now. But all these places are pretty expensive. Where can you get them on the cheap? He talks about it, and then he'll give you the exact emails that he sends, which is awesome. All you gotta do is tweak it a little bit, boom, and then you'll know how to automate the entire commission generating process to pay you for years. Now, so let's talk about some of the things I like about this. Number one, he's teaching you the fundamentals of creating a large and consistent income online. Emails. Just in case you didn't know, just in case, email marketing. I'm telling you, that's what all the people who have been making the big money are doing, building an email list. Because I can't remember if it was Russell Brunson or someone who said that having an email list is having like traffic that you own, okay? That you can will and deploy it at any time to any offer at any time and make hundreds, even thousands of dollars per day just by sending one email. It's powerful, okay? It's powerful. Number two, simple and easy to follow and implement, which is I like. He's creating the polls is very simple. Everything is step by step. It's very simple because I don't like complicated, right? This thing online is not supposed to be complicated. It's very simple. And then on top of it, he provides you resources to generate traffic at a low cost, which I think is awesome. Email lists are then monetized easily with affiliate offers. I mean, it's really simple to make money. Build an email list with a targeted audience and then give them an offer that fixes their needs, and that's it. Very simple, right? He's a mentor and coach with the results that he already has that you can follow and model. What I like that he mentioned is that he has not made money by telling people on how to make money. He's actually made money by building real businesses. Dude, that's a big difference. big difference, okay? That's what I like, and that's what you should be looking for. On top of it, he has a customer service team that's dedicated to students of the program, which is one thing that I hear a lot with a lot of people that buy some of these programs. I'll do reviews, and then they'll leave comments on our videos talking about, hey, we did this video or we did this training, and man, we couldn't find anybody to help us. That's a big deal, and I hate that. So I love the fact that he's got customer service to help you, because the real challenge starts after you buy, right? So yeah, and then I do like the fact that on the side, he whitelists requirement for anybody who wants to promote this offer, which means that he's not just letting anybody promote this, right? Only people that are worthwhile, that have good, what's the word I'm looking for? Good ethics and wanting to make money online the ethical way, which I like. And of course, there's a money back guarantee from ClickBank, so you really can't lose. Now, some of the things that I don't like, number one, $1,000 a day as a beginner, it's kind of a large stretch, right? For someone who's never had any success online, and for most people, it's tough because there's a certain amount of time and dedication and commitment necessary to achieve it. It's not impossible. It's just with current mindsets for most people, it can kind of be tough. But I think that $100 a day is not out of the stretch, and that what he's teaching you is very easily can be done. In fact, he talked about, showed examples of how people were making a couple $500 in 48, 72 hours of trying to program. So that's reasonable. And then on top of it, I think that it could be some saturation in the marketplace with this type of strategy, with people doing polls all over the place and program, all of a sudden you start seeing that all over the place in the same traffic sources. But I think that's not to be too much of a concern, because if you think about it, there's a bajillion different affiliate offers out there. So you could do polls on all kinds of offers that even people are not thinking about are doing, right? And so assuming that people actually take action on a product, because about 80% of people don't, then you still have like this 20%. And then, there's so many offers out there, really it's not going to be that big of a problem, but it was something to consider. But overall, if you ask me, what is my conclusion? I give this thing 4.5 stars. Why? Because it is a strong, effective, but simple to understand program for building financial independent assets like an email list quickly to promote products via affiliate offers. And then it's essentially at the end of the day, create a life-changing income and lifestyle that you design on your own, right? Man, let's go. That's what I'm talking about, right? And so hopefully you got some ideas there. I think that's it right there. I think you're looking at a pretty decent product here that can help you do and build the most important asset there is online right now, which is an email list, right? If you can do that quickly with not having to spend a whole lot of money, I think that's a win. What are your thoughts? How do you feel about that? Hey, if you like this and this was helpful and gave you some ideas, hey, definitely give the video a like, all right? Consider subscribing to the channel, all right? And if you want to check out the program, the 1K a day program, I recommend checking out the webinar. The webinar is valuable in and of itself. You'll learn a ton. Check out the link in the description below for that webinar, all right? And so until the next exciting episode, my friend, be blessed, stay hungry. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.